Okay, welcome to Setiawan channel. Today we want to share about how to change keyboard language on Windows 10. Okay, first go to Start and select a setting. Type a language. Okay, this is Edit Language and Keyboard option. Press this. Okay, the default language on my laptop is English United States, and today I want to add Indonesian language. So press Add a preferred language and type for Indonesia. Okay, English Indonesia or Bahasa Indonesia Indonesian. Want to add Bahasa Indonesia, press and then click Next. Okay, to set display language also in Indonesia, give a checklist on this. After you set a checklist on this, they will download text-to-speech, handwriting, and basic typing. Okay, I don't want to use Bahasa Indonesia as my display language, so I uncheck list and then click install. Okay, downloading for basic typing, handwriting, and speech. So you must connect to internet to download this. After download is finished, let's check. For example, I choose Word, Microsoft Word to test the keyboard language, and then choose blank document. To change the keyboard language, press on this. Change for English. To switch the input method, press this, or Windows key and space. Press this and change to Indonesian. US keyboard.